From misty weather and chilly winds to fascinating bird park experience. This winter we took a beautiful escape to Taif, a city that feels extra magical in cold season. In this vlog, I'll be sharing our experience of visiting two amazing places in Taif. So let's explore winter in Taif together. We started our journey from Jeddah around 10, prayed Jummah in Makkah and had lunch in Taif before continuing our trip. Scenic landscapes along Hada Road are always beautiful, but winter added an extra touch of magic, making our journey even more enchanting. Before heading to our room, we halted for a while in Hada to enjoy the weather, and kids had a good time taking a horse and a camel ride. We booked this 2-bedroom apartment with hall and a kitchen online, and maybe because it was off season, we were able to get it at a very reasonable price under 300 riyal. The place was spotless, comfortable with good hospitality from the staff. Only thing is we wanted to get freshen up quickly and go out, but the bathroom bulb got fused and it took some time for them to replace it. So after praying Maghrib, we headed out. This is Rose Park in Shafa Mountain. This place felt calm and refreshing. It has got restaurants, snack corners to enjoy. The most attractive thing are the cabin sets with water flowing beneath. Perfect spot to slow down, relax, and enjoy peaceful surroundings. The weather was chilly 14 degrees, yet we enjoyed every moment spent there. To enjoy this weather, we took one of their cabin sets available for 25 rial per hour. You can even order food from the restaurant and enjoy it over here. But we decided to have dinner in a South Indian restaurant, Oasis, which had good reviews in Google, and everything we tried was tasty over there. Next day morning, we decided to visit the famous masajids of Taif. This is Masjid al-Ku. Ku means elbow in Arabic. It is believed that this is where our Prophet ﷺ stood or rested his elbow on a stone. And this is Masjid al-Madhun. This is where our Prophet ﷺ and his adopted son took rest while they were on their way back to Makkah. And on the opposite side of this masjid, you will find Masjid al-Addas and the grape garden, where our Prophet ﷺ met the Christian slave Addas, who later accepted Islam. Now, currently, all these sites are closed as they are being renovated. So we were not able to visit any of these masajids, but here they have constructed a bridge or viewing platform, we can say, to allow the visitors to get the view of the mosque and the garden.
हाँ क्या हाल है ठीक है हाँ क्या हाल है ठीक है हाँ كيف أنت كويس माशाल्लाह ये रास्ते से जाना बोल के बोल रहे थे
Later had lunch in our room and vacated it, and came for Asr prayer in this King Fahd Mosque, one of the largest and majestic mosques in Taif, named after King Fahd bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. After praying Asr, we headed towards Hada to get the experience of bird park here. Visiting this bird park was the best decision we made, as both adults and kids we enjoyed here. They start 2 or 3 p.m. in the afternoon and closes by 6 p.m. And ticket price person above 10 years it's 25 rial, and 3 to 10 years it's 15 rial.
हमने लुक लुक पिक अप करना
It was a delightful experience, and dedicated prayer areas for both female and male are there with washroom facilities. And as they close us by 6 p.m., it was time for us to leave to Jeddah too. This brings us to the end of the video. Hope you had fun watching it. If you do like it, don't forget to share and subscribe to Life in Dunya for more. Thanks for watching it till the end. See you in the next vlog. Till then, ma salama.